It is now time to attach the bodice lining to the bodice. And right now I have placed my bodice to bodice lining correct side to correct side while matching up each seam and pinning in preparation to stitch the entire neckline at 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. Before you get to this point, it is wise to press open each individual seam and trim any extra seam allowance to reduce the bulk. So now that we have that neckline stitched, we are going to turn right sides out and now apply an understitch. So the understitch will be sewn on the bodice lining and it will be sewn close to the actual seam. And when we're stitching on the bodice lining, underneath we are also stitching the seam allowance. And this understitch is applied to prevent the lining from rolling to the outside. And try to stitch as close as you can to that seam. I recommend anywhere between 1/16 of an inch and 1/8 of an inch. And now you can see the finished result. The stitch is only visible on the bodice lining. So now we can go ahead and get our sleeve prepared to be sewn at 1/4 of an inch, and we're only sewing the bottom of the sleeve at this point. Now this sleeve pattern does contain its own hem facing, so you will notice that the lining has been cut 1/4 inch shorter than the regular sleeve. So now that we have the bottom of the sleeve sewn, we can draw right sides out and confirm. And now we have to close the side seam of the bodice, and we'll do that by turning the bodice correct side to correct side, and then we'll grab onto our sleeve and let the side seams match up correct side to correct side on the bodice as well as the bodice lining. So we're preparing by pinning the side seam, the underarm seam, the sleeve, hem, onto the bodice lining, underarm seam, and the bodice side seam, matching up all the seams. So it's as if now the bodice sleeve is now quote unquote holding hands with the bodice sleeve lining. And we're going to stitch the entire way through. Now we can draw the correct side out through the sleeve by pulling the sleeve lining into place. And we will repeat the same step on the other side. Again, placing the correct side to correct side, bodice, matching the underarm and the side seam, and following through to the bottom hem of the sleeve, matching the seams, and then through to the bodice lining, underarm seam, and the side seam. And we're going to stitch at a 1/4 inch all the way across. And again, we can pull everything right sides out by drawing the bodice lining sleeve through and in its proper position. And there we have it, a fully aligned bodice including sleeve, with the sleeve also having a facing at the hem. Thank you for watching.